Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Gospel Trumpeters Global Outreach. This message is brought to you by Papa and Mama Michel Coco. God has been faithful to us through the year 2022. 2023 is our year of supernatural greatness. We wish you a blissful celebration this season. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Also, remember to join us in our Passover service. Date 31st December 2022. Time 9 p.m. to 4 a.m. when we will shout Happy New Year. Venue at the Church Auditorium, Gospel Trumpeters Global Outreach, Obeikuma Road, near Akrama Junction, Kaswa, Ghana. With your host, Prophet Michel Coco. Theme: a night of prophetic reactivation, affirmation and prophetic manifestation of the divine agenda for supernatural greatness. Remember, who you cross with matters a lot. Jesus is waiting to bless you. Don't miss it.